It's super fun and super simple. Today we're going to show you how to make raining blood. It's a really creepy experiment and really fun to do. All you're going to need for this one is a bowl of oil, a jar of water, a fork and some food dye. The first step is to take your bowl of oil and add a few drops of each of the food dye. Make sure that each bottle of dye is a different colour. We've got some yellow, some green, some blue, and finally some red. You'll see that the food dye sinks to the bottom of the oil. So what you need to do is take your fork and mix it together. Once that's done, you simply pour the mixture into your jar of water. You'll see that, as usual, the oil floats on top of the water. But if you give it a few seconds, you'll see something very interesting starts to happen. Small droplets of the mixture start to fall to the bottom of the water. This is because the food dye and the oil mixed together is heavier than the water. They cling together in droplets. After some time, you'll see that some of the drops that have fallen to the bottom of the jar start to go back to the surface. This is because the food dye and the oil start to separate, the food dye going into the water and blending, and the oil floating back to the surface. Ugh, gross! And there you have it. That's how you can do raining blood at home with no real blood needed.